We always like to be the first to see new technologies and bring you the latest news. Today I'm at the Engineering Technology Group, where if you follow our channel, you'll know that they supply machines like we've got behind me here. But today it's about a new addition to their product portfolio. They've now ventured into the laser cutting market in the form of the DNE Global. So let's get the lowdown on this DNE Global from Shane Langston. Shane, I have interviewed you already because you started at ETG about a month or so ago, didn't you?
Yeah.
You've already sold one.
Yeah, it's always a good sign, isn't it?
It is. Well, tell us what this machine is first for the audience. Let's get the door open
so it's
and
let's
go
a
through the
DNE
detail.
LC3. So this one's a 6 kilowatt, 3015, so a 3 metre by 1.5 metre bed. So if we take a look inside.
Now talk us through some of the highlights then that you'd point out on this machine. I mean, for me that looks like quite a slim head on this as well, doesn't it?
That is one of the benefits of this machine. It's a slim design, and this is purely so you can get closer to parts, less part collisions, so it's quite easy, friendly and accessible. And
let's look at the basics then, because some people on our channel might not have seen laser cutting machines before, although I'm sure they have. But what do we got? A bridge style construction here. Tell us about how the machine's made from the ground up and some of the features.
So this machine is Swiss manufactured, so it's built fully in Switzerland. It comes with an aluminium bridge, so to keep it lightweight, speed. Also 2 huge motors either end to keep up with the accuracy on a rack and pinion drive.
They're both in action, they both drive.
Independent, so they're both driving to keep you the accuracy that you need for this machine. You've got 2 shuttered beds, so 2 shuttle tables, 2 separate heights, which we can see a bit later.
The other end.
Nozzle cleaning, nozzle calibration plate, so always keep your nozzle nice and fresh, get it calibrated so you can guarantee it's going to cut every time.
What happens with the waste? I mean, I see we're cutting small holes here, but we've got some quite, cutting out some quite larger parts there. Where's it going to end up?
So as the
laser... I won't
laser...
call it the waste because it'd be the finished part probably.
But all depends on what
you're
cutting. But it'll cut the part, so any waste will go down underneath. And then underneath you have the scrap trays, so they're independent, 1 metre apart. You can pull them all out, so regardless if the part drops here or down the far end, you should be able to get the part out.
All right, how's someone going to control it? How's someone going to program it? How easy is it?
So on the control itself, this is quite a powerful control, so you can bring in all your different jobs, so you can have a production plan, you can go whichever way you want to go really, you can make new plans. So from here, you can quickly add in a sheet. So say 500 by 500, just for an example. So it's going to bring in the sheets, and then we can add the parts. So from current job, you can have a parts pool, so you can, as big as you want it. So if you just bring in just a simple part, quick drag and drop function. You can even add or take away, add the parts, do your sheet. You can have the space in as you want it, so depending on the material thickness is what spaces you have. And once you're ready to go, you just load the program, start, and it'll cut.
How good is that?
It's very...
Shane, let's move around here. Tell us about some of the auxiliary equipment that comes with the machine. What's this?
So this is the chiller unit. So this is to keep the power source cool, so the power supply, but also the cutting head, to keep the cutting head at a constant 30-degree temperature.
Okay, and then this.
So this is the power source.
And if you step this way, Shane.
So this is the power source. It's a 6 kilowatt version, so it comes in a 2, 3, 4 and a 6 kilowatt. So it's the highest one we currently do on this model.
Okay, and then finally, this is some beast, isn't it? A bit of piping on there. Do we need this?
Yes, so this is the extraction unit. So all the fumes and everything, because it's a fibre laser, it's a contained box. So you have to be careful with all the fumes, so it's going to draw all that out. It's a big area, it's 3 by 1.5, so you need a big unit to take those fumes away.
Right, and then this is then pallet, yes?
So this is the pallet changer. Yeah, so you keep your material on the bed. They are independent heights, so you've got a high and a low table. This is to keep it in speed, so as a table comes in, the other table's coming out. Once that machine's aims cut in, you can remove your jobs from the other table and load the new material. Yes.
Okay, you mentioned Swiss built.
Yes.
We would associate that with quality, of course, straight away.
Yes.
You talk about the speed, the makeup, some of the options that come with the machine. Is it expensive, Shane? Am I going to be...
You're going to be very surprised.
Okay, so
Very competitive in the
against
market.
other models that are available and other brands that are available out there.
A high standard European built machine, yes.
Okay, there you have it. The DNE Global, now available from the Engineering Technology Group. They've only been selling these machines for a matter of weeks and have already got one going into a customer's site. And this one here is available to purchase from stock.